Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure the MySQL transaction replication on Windows Server step by step full guide. So here configuration of MySQL transaction replication on Windows Server. This guide will help outline the process to download, install, configure MySQL Community Edition, set up the master slave replication and configure the Windows firewall on 2 server. So first server IP is 192.168.224.131 and second slave server is IP is 192.168.224.132. So we are using the Windows server. So we have two server. So in step 1, we'll just download the MySQL Community Edition, visit the MySQL website and download the downloads.mysql.com on the both the server. And you can navigate the MySQL Community Edition section and require the Oracle account with the valid license, or just remove this one for the Community Edition. We don't need this. So download the installer. So this is the path where we can download the MySQL Community Edition 8.0.42.0.msi. So let me open this. We have two servers. Both the servers are running with the my VMware workstation. Okay. So now in the server one, I'm going to open this. Okay, so here we have options. We will just we'll select version 8.0.42 and Windows. There is a MSI installer. Okay, x86 or 32-bit, both we can download this, and this is the download button. When you will click the download button, and there is option no thanks and just start me download. Just click on this link. When you will click on this link, you will get a download. So in download, we'll get the this one MySQL installer community edition 8.0.442.0 MSI. So this file is will be downloaded. So same you will get, and second server also do the same. Just open this, put the URL, and just select your version operating system, then click on the download. When you click on the download, this page will appear, and no thanks, just start my download, or you can log in or also you can download. So whenever you will click this link, you will get a just like me, this file will be downloaded. So let me install in the first server and second server. So in first server, just click on this file and wait for few seconds. Minimize this. So preparing to install, this will start. We are working with the server 131. So time remaining 15 seconds. So MySQL installer is 1.6. So here choose the setup type I'm using for the server. So just server only, and click on next. There is installation, just execute this one. So progress. Okay, just click on the next and again next. Here you can change this one if you required server type, development type. So I'm leaving for this one for now. And TCP IP, there is a 3306 default port number for the MySQL. If you want to change, then you can change this one. And named pipe, if you want to change this one also, you can change as per your requirement. You can change these things. So in my case, I'm not changing anyone. I'm just going through the default. Click on next. Use the strong password recommended. So just click on next. And here I'm giving the password admin at the rate 123, and this is the weak password, but I don't care because this is for the test server. So click on next and next and finally execute. Similar I'll do with the server 2. Just click on this one. So installer file is going to be open. So server 1, let me complete this. Okay, still starting the server. So leave this, go to the server 2. Same process, we'll go through the installation. So server only, if your requirement is another thing, you can client only you can install, full version you can install, and custom also. So I'm just going through the server only. Click on execute. Let me check with the server one. Meanwhile, so this is completed. Click on finish. Click on next. Click on finish. So installation is completed for the server one. So similarly, let me complete the into server two. So next, next. So I'll going through the default configuration, connectivity, port number. So here put the password admin at the rate 123, admin at the rate 123. This is a demo server, so I'm keeping the weak password. So next, this is the service name. Windows service name will be the MySQL 80. Click on next, next, execute. So initialize the database is going on. Meanwhile, we can go forward and step to install the MySQL Community Edition. We have done this one. This is also completed step by step. Step 3, configure the MySQL on master database. So locate the configuration file. This is the configuration file my.ini. Just open this file. So go to the server one. Open this and go to the view. So hidden files. Go there. The program data folder will be hidden, so just show the hidden file. Just do this one, then you'll get, go inside, there is a MySQL. So inside the MySQL there is a MySQL server 8.0. Go inside there, you will get the find my.ini file. So edit this. This is the configuration file, and we need to add this one in the server id 1 and these things. So just copy this, go down. This is server 1. I'm going to replace this. And log bin is already there. So log bin for the group replication related, I'm just give the hash of the login. So I'm using in bottom, so I'm just keeping this one. So save this. Now open CMD and just restart the service. First stop the service, then start again. So there is the MySQL 80 service is stop successfully. Now net start MySQL 80, starting the service. So done successfully. Okay. Now I am going to log in to the MySQL database. You can use with the workbench also, a command line also. You can connect MySQL. So for the replication user, where we can use the create the replication user, we need the replication user for the replicate the database. So let me just open this. For this, we need to access the bin folder. Go to C drive. Inside that, program files had the MySQL 8.0. This is the path for the binary file, bin file. Okay. Here I am going to open the CMD. MySQL minus u root minus p. Okay. Admin at the rate 123. This is the password where we have given while installing. Now I am going to create a user. This is the command for the create a user replication underscore user. I am giving the access to 132 server only. Identify with the native password. We are not using SSL, so native password I am going to use by admin at the rate 123. So copy this. So okay. So completed successfully. Then grant a replication slab privilege to the specific IP address. So copy this. Done this one. Now, whatever the changes we have done, we need to apply the changes for the current database. So apply changes is done. Now, next I'm going to get the binary lock status. So this is the master. So master status. So there is a MySQL dash bean 5 times 0 1 879. Okay. So this will be changed 879. So keep this one for future use. So 879. Now step 4. So configure the MySQL on Slab server. So this is the path, same path we have opened on the primary server. So finish, next, finish. So now Control plus R, I'm directly opening the file. Okay. You can open like this also. You can, and second, you can open this folder will be the hidden. So go to your C drive. We don't have the program data. Go to view and hidden files, then only you can able to see program data, and there is a program data MySQL server 8.0. Here you can find this one, same file we have opened this. Now come to the server ID. Let me go top, the buffer is there, and group replication server ID. Okay, I'm going to comment this one. So this is the code. Means server ID we have given the two because one is already we are using, and these both servers will be connected to each other. for the transaction replication. So I'm giving the server to binary log, and there is a read underscore only is on, means there is a whatever the database will be there in the MySQL server, that database is only for the read only purpose. Now stop and start the services. CMD. So MySQL 80 service is stopping. Then I'm going to start again. Then cd/cd program files, cd MySQL, cd MySQL, and cd bean. Clear screen. Okay. I'm going to log in here also. MySQL -u root -p admin @123. Okay. Done. We have logged in on the second server. Now I am going to execute this one for the connect to the master, configure to slab to connect to the master. So our position is 879. The binary file position is 879. Just change this one. File name is same. Password is admin@123. And the binary file is also same. We have copied this. See this one. So master status. Okay. So same we are using. Now copy this line and execute in second server. Done. Before starting the slab, what we'll do, we'll just configure the firewall. So windows firewall dot msc. Like this, you can open the firewall. And second server, I'm going to open the firewall. Here, here you can search Windows. So there is a Windows firewall. So Windows firewall is open. We need the Defender Windows Firewall advanced setting, so you can open as per your requirement. So now what I'll do, I'll just create a new rule for the inbound rule, and there I'll give the port number 3306 and give the name MySQL 3306. So go to the first server, inbound, there is a new rule, port 3306 already open. Okay. So I'll show you the process. So program port, then click on next. The TCP IP at 3306, give the port number, click on next, allow the connection next, and domains next, and give the name and finish. So MySQL 3306 port is configured. Similarly, I'll configure on the second server, and specific you want to configure for the particular IP, then I'll show you that one also. So there is a this one new rule. Okay, new rule already. Port number next, TCP 3306 next, allow next, domain next, and give the name and finish. We have created this. Now you want to go for the specific IP, then double click on this. There is a scope in remote IP, this IP, and add your the IP, just like 192.168.224.131. This is I'm allowing this one for the 131. So like that you can configure. So I'm not configuring that one now for now. So both the servers we have done. So specific process we have given on master allow 132 and on slave allow 131, means vice versa. So this restrict MySQL communication to only this server. Whatever the server IP you are going to give here, this only MySQL service will allow. Now apply and test. So we can run this one from the slab to access the master server. Okay, go to the slab server, exit from here, and just check this password admin at the rate 123. So I'm able to access. See, so this is accessing the master 131. I'm just running with the 132, 131. Means that access the server is accessible. Now what I'll do, I'll just simple login with the secondary server, and here I'll show the I'll start the slab first, start the slab, and there I'll show the slab setting, slab status. So this working. Main thing is whenever you will just go for the slab status, check this two part. Slab IO is running yes and slab SQL is running yes. Both the things will be yes, then only it is working for the master slab replication. Okay. So configuration is done. Now what I'll do, let me run this side by side. First server, second server. So you can check the IP. 131 is there, 132 is right side. So here, so databases. So how many databases are there? 4 is there. In right side also, I'll just check with this. So databases. So databases. Here also we have a 4 databases. Now what I'll do, go down. I'll just test this one, test the replication. So I'm going to create a database. So left side we have created the database, and right side I'm just checking the source databases. Okay. Now here I'll use test underscore db and show tables. We don't have any tables. In right side also use test underscore db show tables. So here also I am not able to find any table, because whatever we'll do in the master server, automatically that will be replicated to the secondary server. So what I'll do, I'll just create one table, test table, and I'll just insert one data. So in first server, so I'm creating this, done, and let me check, select extract from test underscore table. So data is inserted. In right side also, I'll just run same command, select extract from test underscore table. So data is reflected. What I'll do, I'll just insert one more data. One more data, just like here I'll just insert Chirag Mahto. Enter, insert it. In second server, I'll just run this command and check. So Chirag Mahto is available on the second server. So this part is also done. If you're getting any error, then you can go for the troubleshoot. So in this video, we have learned how to configure the MySQL transaction replication on Windows Server step by step. Full guide is there. So we have done, and we have successfully connected the both the server. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Note, follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to like, share, comment and follow. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.